In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Google Calendar. If you're finding yourself with too many calendars or simply want to start fresh, deleting a calendar can be a helpful organizational step. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll need to open up Google Calendar on your computer. This action should be done via a web browser rather than a mobile app to access all settings more easily. Once you're on the main calendar interface, take a moment to locate the gear icon. You'll find this in the top right corner of your screen. This icon is your gateway to all calendar settings. Clicking on the gear icon will reveal a drop-down menu. Here, you want to select Settings. This menu option will lead you to a more detailed settings interface specifically for your Google Calendar. It's like the control room of your digital scheduling world, where you can tweak and tailor your calendar preferences. Now you should see a list of options on the left-hand side. Take your time to scroll through this menu and find the calendar you wish to delete. Click on that calendar. It will bring up specific options related to this particular calendar, giving you more control over its settings. Remember, be careful to choose the correct calendar because we'll soon be taking steps to remove it permanently. Next, look for the Remove Calendar section on this settings page. This section is usually located towards the bottom, so you might need to scroll a bit to get there. This precise wording is crucial as it specifically deals with deletion and removal processes. Once you find it, click on Delete. Now this is where you need to pause and think about the process. Google Calendar will prompt you with a confirmation screen to ensure you're making this decision intentionally. It's a safety step to prevent accidental deletions, which is rather thoughtful because reversing this action can be impossible once it's finalized. After reviewing the confirmation prompt thoroughly and being certain that you want to go ahead with it, click Delete again. This second click is the final step, ensuring you have truly decided to proceed with removing the calendar, and that's it. You've successfully removed a Google Calendar. Remember, with the deletion complete, this action is irreversible, meaning all events associated with the calendar are gone as well. If you need any events or appointments, make sure to have them backed up or transferred. I hope this guide helps you in streamlining your calendar management. Stay organized and feel free to revisit this video if you need a refresher in the future. Thanks for watching, and as always, feel free to reach out if you have any further questions.